Hello guys, hi, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again here with another video for you guys. So today's video, actually we are going to be doing face cleansing using neem, just lemon. This is lemon. So lemon, you can use it to cleanse any dirt on your face, pimples, black spots, blemishes, wrinkles, yes, all that. This can remove it all. So today I don't have pimples, but I have some rashes you can see up there, and that is what I'm going to be cleansing now using this neem. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe, share, like and comment, and also tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, most especially for my consistent subscribers since from day one to today. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your support, guys. Deep down my heart, you're the best ever. Continue with the same spirit. And yeah, first, let's get right to it. I washed my face. You make sure you wash your face before you do this process. Make sure you rinse your face very well. Rinse it, and then you start the process. So I sliced the neem to 2 slices, and I'm just going to use only one slice, this slice. So without wasting time, all you just have to do is just scrub it on your face. Scrub it on your face. It will remove all the dirt. It will remove all the dirt. And then after you scrub it, even on your lips, after that, after scrubbing to your face, you rinse it, okay, and then you moisturize your face then, okay. Okay, go ahead, scrub it, go ahead, scrub it, go ahead, scrub it, scrub. Be careful with your eyes, because neem, if neem enters in your eyes, you're going to cry. You're going to shout. I'm telling you, you're going to shout. Yeah. So I want to show you how this neem looks like, the one I've used. You can see the dirt in that neem. Yeah. Now if we compare this one, this neem, and this one, you can see this one is very clean, and with this one you can see this one is dirty. So the wall that was on my face, this neem has actually removed it, so it is now dry. Actually, instead of you going for those cleansing products, whatever, you can just do it very easy, very simple, at a low cost at home. Okay, so this one is just dry. You be careful with the neem, because neem can actually make your skin crack. If you leave it for long, your skin will crack and it will start itching. So like this is okay as long as you scrubbed it. So without wasting time, let me show you. It's very easy to cleanse your face. This piece of a cloth is wet. You might be wondering, is it dry or wet? It's wet. I dipped it in water and then I use it to rinse. So as just simple as that. You can see how my skin is. You can see how my skin is. It's like that. So as just simple as that. So you can see how my skin is. You can feel the skin is breathing well. Yeah, very simple as that. See you on the next video. Kindly subscribe, share, like. Bye.